Chemistry students, welcome to day 2 of our single displacement, single replacement reaction week. I can't imagine anything more awesome happening right now than having an entire week dedicated to single displacement or single replacement reactions. To be truthful, today and tomorrow's assignment is absolutely huge. Before break, if you remember, we took notes where we made drawings of what is actually happening during a single displacement or single replacement reaction. You were asked to copy those drawings as we went over those notes, and those are the types of drawings we are going to be doing today and tomorrow in this pivotal assignment 8-13I. Be sure to look back in your notes to 8-5. To the section on single displacement reactions. I think it's the third type of reaction we discussed in 8-5. This is where we discussed this type of reaction and made some drawings. If you don't have those drawings, or you can't find the drawings, or you weren't there when we made those drawings, be sure to watch the video that goes along with 8-13I, where I will go over the first page of the note packet with you. And then your task today is to complete the 8-13I packet by making your own drawings and answering the questions on the second, third, and fourth page. You'll need your activity series that you'll find in 8-5 as well. Once again, if you cannot find the 8-5 notes, there are all kinds of activity series that you can just Google on the internet and take a look at. There's all kinds of excellent activity series. Why is today's assignment so important? Well, when you know this type of reaction. The only way you really know it is if you can draw it. And that's what we're doing today. You are purposely given 2 full days to complete this assignment. And the reason you're given 2 full days to do it is so that you can take your time. You can pay attention to the details. You can look carefully at the answer key, which is on Google Classroom. And also so that you'll have time, if you need to look at the help videos, which will go over the second, third, and fourth page of the notes. So I've already made videos that will explain page 2, page 3, page 4. Page 2 is recording number 28. Page 3 is 29. And page 4 is recording number 30. On page 4, the very last set of questions you'll be doing on page 4, where you're going to look at experimental results of the activities. You're going to look at experimental results of dropping metals in solutions, aqueous solutions containing metal ions, and you'll be told in those questions as to whether reactions happen or not. That last group of questions are very important because Thursday and Friday we will be doing a video lab on single displacement reactions. And you'll need to understand that last group of questions on page 4 to fully appreciate the video lab that you'll be doing Thursday and Friday. This is about paying attention to details and really looking carefully at what's occurring. Where are the electrons going? And so forth. So take your time on this. Don't just rush through it and submit it. When you are finished, please take pictures of the packets, page 2, 3, and 4. Submit it to my email so that I can give you credit for this assignment. As always, if you need additional help, email your questions. We can set up a Google Meet if necessary or whatever we need to do to make sure that you understand 8-13I. Take your time, enjoy it. It's therapeutic in these times to be able to make drawings, and I can't think of any better artwork than single displacement, single replacement reaction drawings. Today's thought of the day from Mr. Hippemeyer. When you can show it, you know it. Have a great day. Enjoy today's work today and tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing your answers.